In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture action items in Confluence. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can create a reliable place for follow-ups that your whole team can find and use. First, open your Confluence site in your browser and make sure you're signed in. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, confirm you're in the right space for your project so the page lives where your team expects it. This helps with discoverability later and keeps everything organized under the correct area. Next, look for the Create button in the top navigation. This is your starting point for new content in Confluence. When you click it, Confluence may ask which space to use. Choose the space your team normally uses for project notes or meeting documentation. If you see a list of templates, don't worry. We're going with a clean slate so your action items stay focused and easy to scan. Select Page to open a blank page in the editor. A blank page is perfect for a quick action log because you control the structure. It's lightweight, fast, and adaptable whether you're capturing items during a meeting or jotting them down after a discussion. Give your page a clear descriptive title. A good format is something like Action Items, Project Name, Date. Including the project name and a date makes the page instantly recognizable and easier to find later with search. If your team uses a naming convention, stick to it for consistency across all your pages. That way, when someone searches next month, they'll land on exactly what they need. Now type in the details on the page. Keep the content scannable and practical. Start by listing each action item clearly so there's no ambiguity about what needs to be done. For each item, note the owner and a target date so accountability is built in. A simple structure works well: the action, who's responsible, and when it's due. If you prefer more context, add a brief note under the item describing why it matters or linking to any relevant docs. You can make headings for sections like Open Actions and Completed, or set up a lightweight table with columns for action, owner, due date, and status. Mentions and dates can add clarity, and short, focused sentences keep the list easy to maintain. Aim for consistency across items so your page reads like a checklist rather than a wall of text. That's it. You've opened Confluence, started a new page, named it clearly, and captured actionable, accountable details your team can rely on. Keep using the same structure each time so action items stay visible, trackable, and easy to update.